Alright, now we got this LT2000. You've seen probably in a lot of my other videos because my video uploading is crazy. So now what we're going to be doing is taking these turf tires off and putting on all these AG tires. These are 20s. So these are what are in the back right now. And these are 23s that I just got. I actually just got all of them, and these have adapters on them now. So we can put them on those, because these are 12-inch rims. That's all frozen together. I got it unthawed. So we're going to be putting those on this with a lift kit. And for anybody asking how I'm doing my lift kit, I'm taking 4 pieces of flat iron, and I drilled 2 holes on the top, 1 hole in the bottom. There should be another hole right here, like the top. Did that for 4 pieces. And now these go mount right onto the existing bolt holes right there. And I'll show you that when we get this up. And with the stock tires in the front and rear, no lift, it appears we have just under a foot of ground clearance from the frame. And yeah, so let's get the lift. All right, so now that we have pulled the 4 bolts that go into here, these ones right here, we can now put my lift kit. These are just gonna mount right into the pre-existing holes. And then on the bottom, this one will go right onto here. All right, now the same spot we're gonna measure after putting our lift in. We're gonna have to extend it. That's how big it is. So we were at like, we'll call it a foot. Now we're gonna do it the same exact spot pretty much. We got almost 15 and a half, so 15 and a quarter. So right there, right where the pulley is, we have 15 and a quarter. That is a lot more than we were. So, and these are stock tires, the stock 15-inch tires. So we're actually gonna be putting the 20s on the front and the 20s. So those are 20s, we're gonna be putting 20s in the front and 23s in the back. It's gonna lift it even more. So all right, now we're gonna be putting on the 20s in the front. And a lot of you guys probably asked me, how's he putting rear rim tires on the front of they don't fit. So yes, you're right, they don't fit stock. So I do take a grinder and grind off about 1/4 to 1/2 inch you can really tell on this side. There's like I grind it all the way down to the weld. So now they fit. They should get grinded even more just because, but we're gonna put them on and they're gonna do, because yeah, so I'm putting them on. And there we go, the front 20s are on. So now we got 20s and then 20s. Let's get this 23s on. Now for any of you guys that are wondering how I'm gonna be putting these 23 5-lug 12-inch rims on. So I took a 9-inch rim, cut it down to about this. Which lip was it? I think it was this lip. Grinded it flat, and then we welded 4 attaches around the rim to rim. And there we go, got 20s in the front and 23s in the back. Of course, the 23s aren't all the way aired up, so they're not gonna be as tall as they probably should be. But I think they have just under 10 PSI in the 23s, and I'm pretty sure there's just under 20 in the 20s. So, yeah. So now I guess this has gap right here, but I'm gonna do a body lift, so it's not gonna be hard. Just some spacers, washers, and a bigger, longer bolt. So let's get that. All right. So what we're gonna be doing here is where the body mount goes to the frame. I'm going to be taking 4 pretty decent sized washers and 2, I don't know what the heck these are, I just got them, they came some electrical piece. But we're gonna be putting 2 of these and 4 washers, and that's gonna give a lot of clearance for the tires, even though they don't need them. All right, so now we just got the spacers in, so we have 2 of these and 2 washers. I didn't put all 4 just cause all 4 washers, because I didn't need them. So got those, and then we got those. Just a longer bolt, pre-existing hole, longer bolt, stainless. So those are in. Now you can definitely tell we have some space. Just got the bumper all mounted up. Ain't going anywhere. Stand on it. Jump on it. It's not going anywhere. Put the lights bulb back in. The light harness. Just installed the new battery as of May 22nd, 2022. 22nd. So yeah, so this is got my hand right up in there. Perfect. So we'll go rip this. Now we have almost 18. Alright, so we got this thing swarming up. Oh, all ice. It's been raining and snowing and then raining and then freezing and then melting and then freezing the past week. So this is all a sheet of ice. Make it. Oh shoot. Oh no. Let's see, how's that look? Good enough thumbnail for me. Alright, let's get this. Let's get this. Take it down? I don't think I'll be able to make it back. Only one way to find out! If we don't make it, we have another one. Not sure what happened. I think I stalled it or something. So we're gonna have to try to start it, which probably won't happen. Unless I ran out of gas. I think I ran out of gas. No, I didn't run out of gas. So I'm not sure what happened. I think I just stalled it. I got my earbuds in so I couldn't hear it. Yeah, I must have stalled it because I started right up. So, but we made it. Doesn't look big, but that's all ice, and I was surprised I made it through it. But yeah, let's go. Gotta get some sand. We're racing right now. I'm gonna beat him. He doesn't know we're racing, but I'm definitely gonna beat him. My lawnmower was speed up. Look at that, I won. Well, guys, as I end the video here and forget to do an outro or whatever, I ended up putting it away and having to go drag with my other lawnmower, so I forgot to do the outro. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. It's free. Remember that, it's free to subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.